Morning. Today we're installing a EarthX lithium battery on a SR22 Turbo, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what we do and how we do it. Step 1, read the ICA. Step 2, unbox everything and understand what's in the box. Step 3, remove the old battery. Step 4, install the battery in an insulated box as shown. Step 5, run your signal wire at penetrations that are already made in the fuselage, such as right there, or if you have space on the cannon plug, right there. Alright, so for all you greenhorns that are trying to put the EarthX battery in, just an important tip for where the wiring should go through. If you have normally aspirated, that's where your propeller control cable goes through. If you have turbo, that is where your propeller control cable never went through, but there's a penetration for you. So you utilize that penetration. Don't be drilling holes. We already have holes that are pre-worked into the fuselage. And as for the heat isolation issues, you can see the battery box, which has insulation built into it. It's good for 1 hour. Plan to use that 1 hour. Step 6, install your status panel.